A sentence, a set of words arranged in a predetermined order so that they express a clear thought, is called a sentence. We must remember that all sentences begin with a capital letter. We punctuate the sentences by a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end, depending on what the sentence is conveying. Based on their purpose, we classify the sentences in the following four types: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative sentences. Let's understand each of them in detail. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is also called a declarative sentence. So, when a sentence makes a statement and gives us information about a noun, it is said to be an assertive or a declarative sentence. This means that any sentence that is giving us some information or telling us something, declaring us something, it will be called an assertive or declarative sentence. Now, an assertive or declarative sentence always ends with a period or full stop. Let's understand assertive or declarative sentence with the following examples. Reading helps gain knowledge. A poisonous snake bit the boy. This summer vacation, my family is traveling to America. All sentences are telling us something or informing us something, they're declaring something. So therefore, all these sentences are assertive or declarative sentence, and they all end with a full stop. Now let's understand what an interrogative sentence is. A sentence that asks a question or requests information is called an interrogative sentence. It always ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentences are of four types. The first one is WH questions. These are direct questions that begin with the WH word. How, what, when, where, why, which, who, whose, whom. For example, how many eggs did the hen lay? Why was the child crying? Where is my book? The second type of interrogative sentences are yes no questions. These are questions for which the answer could be either a yes or a no. For example, did it rain yesterday in your town? Is the teacher going to give us a test today? Play with me? Now, kindly notice that in all these sentences, the questions do not begin with a WH word, but instead they all begin with a helping verb. The third type of interrogative sentences are choice questions. These are questions that contain two or more alternatives or choices. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Should I call you Mr. Brown or Sam? The fourth type of interrogative sentences are question tags. These are questions where a tag question word is added at the end of a statement. For example, Rita likes chocolates, doesn't she? The dog was barking all night, wasn't it? Yesterday they weren't at home, were they? Tag question words are helping verbs followed by a pronoun. Now let's understand the rules for adding the tag. An affirmative statement carries a negative tag, and a negative statement carries an affirmative tag. Now let's look at the examples once again. Rita likes chocolates, doesn't she? Now, how do we follow the rules is we copy the statement Rita likes chocolate followed by a comma, then we add a helping verb doesn't followed by a pronoun she, because here the subject Rita is a feminine gender, so we add she as a pronoun and then a question mark. Now, since Rita likes chocolate is an affirmative statement, therefore the tag is a negative.